Hello everybody, this is Eomer from Keep It Simple, and today we are going to work through a question from Edexcel Mock Set 3, Paper 1. This is going to be question 5. This is a classic simultaneous equation question. We're going to underline the entire question, solve the simultaneous equation. This question comes up almost every single year, so it's a very important question. We're going to label the equations equation 1 and equation 2. Equation 1, 3x minus 2y equals minus 5. Equation 2, 2x minus 4y equals 2. We have two unknown letters, so we cannot solve these equations individually. We have to try and eliminate either the x value or the y's. In this case, I'm going to choose to eliminate the y. So I need to make the y values the same. I have minus 2y here. If I can make this a 4y, I can maybe subtract the equations so it cancels out. So I'm going to multiply equation 1 by 2. I'm going to multiply every single term by 2. So 2 times 3x will give me 6x. 2 times minus 2y will give me minus 4y. And please do not forget to multiply the number. Minus 5 times 2 will give me minus 10. Equation 2 will remain the same. 2x minus 4y equals 2. Now, if I subtract these equations, so you have a choice, you can either add the equation or subtract the equations, but I'm choosing to subtract the equation. Let's see what happens. 6x take away 2 lots of x will give us 4x. Now this is the interesting part. Negative 4y subtract negative 4y. When you subtract a negative, it's the same as adding. Therefore, we have negative 4y add 4y, which will give us 0. So the y's have cancelled out. Negative 10 subtract 2 will give us negative 12. I'm going to divide both sides by 4. Therefore, x equals negative 3. Now that will give us a couple of marks. To get the last mark, we need to work out the value of y. So I'm going to tell the examiner, substitute x equals minus 3 into equation. Now you can decide which equation you want to choose, equation 1 or equation 2, it does not matter. I'm going to choose equation 2. Now the reason I wrote this line down is because I want to tell the examiner exactly what I'm doing. So I'm going to rewrite equation 2, so it's 2x minus 4y equals 2. Wherever I see an x, I have to replace it with minus 3. Now there's an invisible time sign between the 2 and the x, so we're going to have 2 times minus 3. Now when I'm substituting negative numbers into equations or expressions, I like to put it in a brackets. Minus 4y equals 2. Now 2 times negative 3 will give us negative 6. Minus 4y equals 2. I need to solve this equation, so I need to add 6 to both sides. So I have negative 4y equals 6 plus 2 is 8. And now I need to divide both sides by minus 4. That's going to give us our y value. So y equals minus 2. So we have our two answers. We've worked out the value of x and we've worked out the value of y. I highly recommend that you spend time on this topic. It comes up almost every single year and it's worth at least 3 to 4 marks. I hope this video was useful and you learned something. Please hit like and subscribe. This is Eomer from Keep It Simple signing out.